guys, hello. Ito ang ating lunch for today. Sili mackerel. Ayan, ang ating mackerel. Mayroon siyang dalawang klase ang pinili ko. Yung may shrimp at saka may egg. Ayan guys, tara, let's eat. Kainin natin to. Guys, tara, kain na tayo. Sarap. Craving satisfied. Guys, enjoy ko muna ang pagkain ko. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please don't skip the ads. God bless us all. Again, thank you for watching.